What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how to recover your Instagram account without email or phone number. So let's jump into the video. So what you need to do first is go to your settings. After going to your settings, you have to scroll all the way down, that you have to find out the Google option. After find the Google, you have to click on this Google services. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every step to find the to recover your Instagram ID without any email address or phone number. So what you have to do next is click on this manage your Google account. After clicking on manage your Google account, you have to scroll the sideways like that. Then you have to find out security option like here. Then what I need to do to, you have to click on all the way scroll down. After scrolling down, here you can see there is an option password manager. You have to click on manage passwords. All the passwords of your phone apps will be reserved here. Google will save this here so that you can find it if you forget it. So what we need to do now is find the Instagram app here. Here is the Instagram app. So after find the Instagram app, you have to click on this instagram.com. After clicking on this, there is a lock option. You have to unlock your screen with fingerprint or face ID. I'm going to do it. After unlocking it, you can see here is the Instagram ID and passwords, username, password, and passwords. You can copy those ID and passwords like here. Otherwise, you can click on this I button like here so that you can see your password and username. So this is how you can recover your Instagram account without any email or phone number. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and comment down if this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel and to see more video like this, informative video like this, and subscribe my channel. Peace.